Another heatwave is here, and it's time to beat the heat with this 8-inch wireless rotating fan by Minthouz. It can be clipped to hang anywhere. It acts as a power bank so you can charge your devices from it. LED display, 12,000 mAh battery that's double than your smartphones. Takes 5 hours to fully charge. Depending upon the wind speed, the battery will last all day. It's got the Type-C fast charging. You may not need to follow instructions as it's so simple to use. So you get a Type-C charge cable. Comes with a magnetic remote control. To activate it, simply pull this tab. Check this out guys, a unique fan design. At the side there is a power switch with an output charge slot, as you can use this as a power bank, and next to it is an input charge. LCD screen with manual controls. One of the cool features is the LED lamp. Never lose the remote again, as you can slot it on the fan. Super strong grip to be hung anywhere. Overall, I'm loving this fan. Best to be placed in offices or around your home. Gives out a cool breeze and you can feel it while you're 3 meters away. Stay cool guys, peace.